Now you are going to learn about series. Sequence, what is the mean by sequence? Already I taught to you. For the sum of the terms of the sequence is called the series. For the same, the sequence, the sum of the terms of the sequence. Sequence in arithmetic progression, the sequences, what are the sequences? A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, etc. For in this series, where sum of the terms of the sequence is called a series. So, sum of the terms, what are the sum of the terms? A plus D plus A plus 2D, etc. plus A plus n minus 1 into D. For this is the general form of the arithmetic series. So, now you have to listen, it is denoted by Sn. The sum of the formulas. Sum to first n terms of AP. Sum to first n terms of AP means arithmetic progression is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If the last term L, the nth term is given, then Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L. For L last term, that is the nth term is given, we will use this formula. Exercise 2.6, first problem, find the sum of the following. First problem, 3, 7, 11 up to 40 terms. 40 terms are there, not given the last term. 40 terms for 3, 7, 11, etc. up to 40 terms. Like this, the same condition, 40 terms are there. The second problem, 102, 97, 92 up to 27 terms are there. The third problem, 6 plus 13 plus 20 plus etc. plus 97. For comparing with the previous two problem and this problem, what is the difference? The terms are given, here last term is given. For nth term value is given, here number of terms, how many terms are there, that is given, here last term is 97. The first problem, first you write the given question. First it is a first term is considered as A. D, how you calculate? Second term minus first term, that is 7 minus 3 equal to 4. For 40 terms, number of terms equal to 40. N means there is a number of terms. That value we want to find. So Sn is equal to, for n is given, what formula we have to use? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n equal to 40. So 40 by 2, 2 into a value is 3 plus n minus 1, 40 minus 1 into 4, n value is 40. So that is 40 by 2, cancelling is possible, 1 to use 2, 20 times. 2 3s are 6, that is 39 into 4. For normal multiplication you have to make, that is 39 into 4, 9 4s are 36, balance 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So you have to add these two, that is 162. You have to multiple these two, that is 3240. Therefore, S40 is equal to 3240. Second problem also the same as the first problem. A value is 102, D value second term is 9. It is a decreasing series. So that is 97 minus 102. So that is equal to minus 5. N equal to 27. The same way you have to substitute in the formula. For n value is 27, a value is 102, d value is minus 5. For 2 into 102 is 102 is 204, 27 minus 1 is 26 into minus 5. You have to multiple these two, that is 130 plus into minus minus. So it is 204. That is you have to simplify this, that is 74. 27 by 2 into 74. 2 table is possible, 1 2 is 2, here 37 times. You have to multiple these two. You get this 999. So S27 equal to 999. Third problem, last term is given. So we will use the second formula, Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L. So a first term a, d and L taken right from the question. D value you know how to find, second term minus first term. First you have to find, for suppose you want to substitute in this formula, we need to find n. N equal to, this formula in the previous exercise you have learned about it, n equal to L minus a by d plus 1. L is 97 minus 6 by 7 plus 1. So that is 91 by 7 plus 1. First you have to simplify the fraction value. It is a 7th table, 1 time it is 13 time. 13 plus 1, 14. So n value is 14. So you have to substitute S14 equal to, substitute in this formula, 14 by 2 into 6 plus 97. So 14 by 2 is 7, 7 into 103. You have to multiple these two, it is 721. Yes, 14 equal to 721. Second problem, how many consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum to 480? So that is how many consecutive means continuous odd integers. Odd integers start with the 5. That is odd numbers start from 5. That is 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. It is going on. So their sum value is 480. That means Sn is given. Sn value, sum of that consecutive odd integers value is 480. So how many terms? So we get the value 480 that we want to find. Consecutive odd integers we know, that is 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus etc. For A, first term is A, difference second term minus first term, then Sn, that value is given in the question 480. So that means write that series 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13, that value, that adding value is 480. So how many terms are there that we want to find? N we want to find. First you write the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you have to, this implies for this value you have to substitute here, n by 2 into 5, it is a value, n minus 1 into 2 equal to 480. So that is, for 2 is commonly is there inside the bracket, take outside, that is 2n by 2, 5, 2 is taken outside, so 5, for this 2 also taken outside, so n minus 1 equal to 480. For numerator 2, denominator 2 cancel, so n into 5 plus n minus 1 equal to 480. So that is n equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 plus n, that is 480. For n you have to take inside, that is 4n plus n square. I write it as a order, n square plus 4n is equal to 480. This 480 you have to take to left hand side, that is minus. So n square plus 4n minus 480 equal to 0. So now you have to use the I factor. The product value is 4 minus 480, adding value is 4. So it is a very simple values only, it is not difficult, 20 and 24. 48 you have to multiply, find with 48, then write any one of the factor, you write 0 at the end. Minus 20 plus 24, so that is n minus 20 into n plus 24 equal to 0. For n minus 20 equal to 0, n plus 24 equal to 0. So this is n equal to 20, n equal to minus 24. Number of terms is negative is not possible, that is cannot be negative. Number of terms cannot be negative, so n is equal to 20. Number of consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum to 480 is 20.